Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and in today's video I am going to address about my English journey and how did I learn this language and what kinds of ups and downs I had to go through when I started to learn this language. So I started to learn this language after I was rejected by 3 interviews, and I could not crack this interview because of communication skill, because of just English. I returned at my home. I was so much of demotivated. My dream was shattered. I was feeling so much of emotion and overwhelmed. But in a somewhere I was thinking, if I learn this language, I can even crack interview. I can get a good opportunity. As I decided, I thought it would be easy, but there were one bigger problem for me. That was internet connection. I had no any internet connection at my home, and because of that I used to go in another house and downloaded some English video, English content, and bring them at my home, and I used to listen a lot, and that made me just little bit comfortable in this language, and I was able to understand. But even then I was not able to speak because I was not doing practice speaking. So later I realized I should do practice speaking too. I started to speak in front of mirror. I used to go on a terrace, and I used to spend time for 1 hour and more than 1 hour, and that's how I was so very comfortable, and I can say I was so very confident when I used to speak by myself. But there was one bigger problem. I thought I am good at right now, I would be able to speak this language. But when first times started to record my own voice, I was shivering. I was getting stuck, and even sometimes my mind is used to go blank. And these kinds of problems I face a lot, and it was all because of I was so very camera shy and camera conscious person. I never record my own voice and never listen entire my life. And first times when I record, definitely I would feel so much of nervous, and I was shaking. But even then I did these kinds of practicing for a long time, and I become just a little bit comfortable with the camera. Then I came across some kinds of platform where I can talk with a co-learner. So I used to talk with a co-learner for 30 minutes, 20 minutes in a day, and I used to practice consistently. I used to think if I will not to practice for even 1 day or 2 day, maybe I'm not going to fluence in this language. Just focusing to I have to speak this language anyhow, because I wanted to move in another country. I wanted to get a job in abroad. So I was confident because of while talking with a co-learner, you get a chance to share your own experience on your journey, and that's definitely going to make you fluent. And before appearing for in any interview, I prepare myself. I went in a big city, I gave interview, and fortunately I got selected. I was really happy and so much of glad, because first times I cracked interview, and I was about to move in abroad. So because of my dedication, hard work, and I can say my passion, I learned this language. And anyone anyone they can learn this language easily. Just they have to be consistent, they have to dedicate and don't think about like their mistake. Even like making this video, I am making a lot of mistake, but it's not mean I should not make this video and share my own experience and own my journey with other learner who really want to learn this language. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in next video, and thank you.